Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Bigo Live app not working. So if your Bigo Live application is also not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So the first thing that you need to do is update your application. Your application might not be working because you're using the outdated version of the application. So in order to update the application, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom right corner you'll be able to see the search icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for Bigo Live. Now here you'll be able to find the application for Bigo Live. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you can see two options, uninstall and open. But if your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the update option. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now your application should start working now. But if it still does not work, what you can do is try clearing the cache of this application. For that, what you have to do is open the app library of your device. Now here find the application for Bigo Live. Once you find it, long press on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for app info. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you can see several options. What you have to do is find the option for storage and cache, tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You can see two options over here, clear storage and clear cache. What you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. After that your cache will be cleared. After the cache is cleared, your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your application will start working. So that is how you fix Bigo Live application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.